At 12:43 a.m., Daniel's phone vibrated softly on the table. The quiet of his apartment broke in an instant. There was one voicemail waiting for him. It was recorded 7 years ago. Daniel lived alone in Chicago, surrounded by tall buildings and empty nights. From outside, his life looked complete. Inside his apartment, silence followed him everywhere. Some memories refused to leave. That night, rain tapped gently against the window. Daniel opened boxes he had avoided for years. He told himself this was part of moving on. His heart knew it was not that simple. His phone lit up again with an unknown number. Daniel almost ignored it. Then he noticed the voicemail date. His breath slowed. The message was older than his new job and new life, older than the man he had become. Daniel pressed play and leaned back in his chair. A familiar voice filled the room. "Hi, Daniel. If you're hearing this, I couldn't say these words before." The voice was soft and careful. It was Lena, the name he never spoke anymore. They met in college when life felt lighter. Dreams were shared without fear. Late-night talks and quiet laughter filled those days. Love felt simple then. Daniel chased success and bigger plans. Lena believed in slowing down. When Daniel asked her to move with him, she smiled, but her eyes were unsure. Slowly, conversations became shorter. Silence replaced the warmth they once had. "One night, I almost called you," Lena said in the voicemail, "but I was afraid." Daniel closed his eyes as her words sank in. For years, he misunderstood her silence. "I never blamed you," her voice continued, "but loving you meant losing myself." The rain outside grew heavier. Daniel held the phone tighter. "I didn't stop loving you," Lena said softly. "I just had to protect who I was." Tears formed, not from pain, but clarity. The truth arrived quietly. The voicemail paused before the final words. Daniel waited. Some people are meant to be felt, not kept. Goodbye, Daniel. The room returned to silence. No second chance, only understanding. Daniel opened the window and breathed in the rain. For the first time in years, his heart felt light. If this story touched you, like, comment, and subscribe.